I've heard the saying, forgive them, they do not know what they are doing. They do not know for what they do. Their bodies, this is me now, their bodies are screaming that they know inside their bodies are screaming that something is wrong. Inside, they've changed. Inside, they've consented to a change. They've consented to a change inside their bodies that they don't fully grasp, that they fully don't understand. I feel my beating heart just beating more than it should, with thoughts and feelings and prayers, and they band together in righteousness, feeling that their decision is so right, that what they've done is so true. And it is for them. They push and push and push and try to push. And it's all inside of them. Inside of them is changing. Changed. And they know it. And inside they know it's changed. And they don't know what it is. And they don't know why. But they know within everything, inside them, in their mind, in their subconscious, and behind the veil, inside their own head that they know they did something wrong, something irreversible, something they can't change back. They consented. They said yes. They did it. It is the past. It isn't there now. They've changed. They look to the future and they want to be the past. They can't. They're in there now. They look and they see and they feel and they can't. They try. They remember. They remember feeling. But they can't. They know something's missing and they can't put their finger on it. They don't understand. They can't. And there they are, with themselves, hollow and changed, and wanting everyone else to be like them. Surely I did not make the wrong decision. Surely I did not do something wrong. What? Everyone must be like me. Everyone must do what I did. Everyone must have the future I had as my past that I consented to. And everyone should fall in line, and everyone should be like this, because we are one. No. What is upside is downside. What is inside is outside. What is above is below. And inside, if you're hollow, outside you are too. What happened to you? Are you a shell? Are you a shell of a shell? Where are you? What happened to you? Where did you go? Where are you? Rules, laws, mandates, date of man, time laws, clocks, time clocks, jobs, places, obligations. I could go on. Hard choices, responsibilities, hardness. How do you soften yourself? How do you soften yourself if you're so hard and shelled and tight? And you're now, and you know your future is not what you had in your past, and you could feel in your past, and you kind of remember, and you remember the way you felt, and you don't know how to get that back. How do you get it back? I've lost it. You made these choices. All is not lost. Believe in yourself. Center yourself. Service to self. Service to others. Sounds polarizing. It's either me or them or me. There's an in-between. Bring more dimensionality to your dream. Bring more dimensionality to your reality. Dimensionality. Multidimensional. Service to them. Service to me. Service. Service. How about just take the service out and be you, be me. Live from your heart. Think with your mind. Balance it with your spirit. Too much heart is Karens everywhere. Mindless Karens making rules and thinking they're stopping the climate change. Or whatever. Wear this, do that. Might as well put your arm up and say, hi, hi, and the other word. Too much mind. Mind. All about the head. Everywhere you go, it's all about your head. You lose your heart, you don't feel, it's all this, it's all that. It's black and white, black, white, black and white. Come on now. Don't let that triad trinity get disconnected. Don't disconnect your spirit, your soul, your balance, your God cell. You can get it back. Don't be offended. Don't feel lost. No. You're hearing my words right now. You are not lost. You are not at all. If you made it to now, right now, this moment listening, you are not at all lost. You are on the bridge of life. You are one of the furthest journeymen out there. Waiting. Being. Knowing. Know this. Those that don't have that balance, those that are just service to others or service to self, you can't see how you must service yourself to service others, where there's this balance in between, a circle, I'd say, of going, looping in between and kind of in a gray. Don't worry. Don't ever be sad. Do not fear. Just be glad. Laugh. Always go within and laugh. Have fun. Every single thing here is polarized. And you are the magic maker. You make the magic. You can see in between. Everything is not a game on a two-dimensional field that you go left and right, front and backwards. You are on more than a three-dimensional field. You can say it's a game, as long as it's lighthearted and fun and happy. Don't let others' games bind you into a definition of a game. Again, they know not what they do. They know not what they do. Forgive them, and they are forgiven. And the winds of the volcano loops and loops. Forgiven.